Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about the best camera settings for your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to record videos or to capture photos and your iPhone with best quality, so let's see some possible settings. So the very first thing, you just have to simply open your settings app, go to general, go to software update, and you just have to try to update your software. Once you updated your software, you have to simply go back, open your iPhone camera, and here you'll get different settings. So the very first, you just have to tap on this lines, and from here you'll get different modes, or you can enable or disable different effects from here. You just have to select video, and here in the top left you'll see an option. You just have to select that, and from here you can easily change your video quality. It might be 60 fps or in HD or 4K resolution, in which way you want to capture. So in this way you can easily change your iPhone's camera settings. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.